Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2013 on a 63 plate Vauxhall Corsa design. This is the 1.4 petrol with an automatic gearbox and 3 doors, finished in Waterworld blue metallic, and it's covered just 17,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around of this super low mileage automatic Corsa. Rare find, this. December 2013, registered, just 17,000 miles. One owner from new. And like I said, just 17,000 miles. And it comes supplied with a full and comprehensive 9-stamp Vauxhall Main Dealer service history. Serviced absolutely right the way through its life at the Vauxhall Main Dealer. We've even treated it to some brand new genuine Vauxhall wheel trims. Certainly hard to find the small autos, ever so popular at the moment. This is the 1.4 petrol design model with air conditioning. Sensible running costs, decent on fuel, and obviously, most importantly, you've got that gearbox that goes with it. Nice specification, perfectly adequate, lovely and tidy throughout, as you'd expect. It's got its original carpet mats. Remote central locking does come supplied with 2 remote keys. All the door cards are in good shape. Electric front windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors. There's your 2 keys. Steering wheels, pretty well perfect. You've got your radio controls. There's your mileage, 17,729. Manual gearbox, cup holder at the back. There's your auto gearbox controls. A couple more cup holders down below, along with an auxiliary input. 12-volt socket. And then super straightforward Vauxhall setup. Air conditioning, radio CD. You've got your little computer up there with the radio station and time and whatever else. Handbook's all in the glove box. 3-door model, so the seat folds forward. Isofix in the back. You do get 3 seat belts, so they are 5-seaters, and again, really nice and tidy. A couple of very small marks on the outside, but very nice indeed for what's approaching a 10-year-old car now. Into the load space, parcel shelf at the top, folding bench, good size boot space, and again, really nice and clean across all the plastics. You've got your compressor in there, and that's about all there is to it. December 2013 Vauxhall Corsa Automatic, 1.4 petrol, design model with air conditioning, 17,000 miles from 1 owner, and 9 Vauxhall Main Dealer service stamps. Finance is available from less than £140 a month, so very sensible if you are looking to do it on finance. And the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really smart little car, the right gearbox, lovely mileage, really good provenance, and a sensible price too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.